Alrighty guys, welcome back to some more Wreckfest. How you doing? Hope all is well. We're playing some more Demolition Derby. And cars are just flying already. Wrecked one already, bet. Oh, yo, I'm so OP. Yeah, get out of here. Bonk. Oh man, this ain't fair. Bonk. Peace out, buddy. Oh, we'll just hit that reset real quick. Yo, this is great. I love this. This is great. Wreckfest makes you feel OP, and we love it. Look at that. I already got bronze. Oh, he's sending himself flying. Can we just bonk? Yo. Good night. Oh, I completely missed this dude. Alright, let's go for this one. Hold on. Can we just fall into the other guy? Nah. We'll go ahead and just do that though. Yo, they're all bullying me now. It's great. Come here, buddy. Peace out. Whoa, bomb. Yeah, get out of here. One more for silver. How many for gold is the question. Bonk. Oh, 15 for gold? Alright. 4 more. Oof. It's great. Yo, come on, we gotta get 3 more. Bam, bam. One more. Oh, that's great. This is awesome. I love this. You need to blow off some steam. Just play some Wreckfest. Bam, we got gold. Just go ahead and play some Demolition. Send some cars flying. Wreck another one. I don't even know how. Oh, yo, can I do something in reverse? Oh, yo, yes we can. We got one in reverse. We got 3 seconds left. It's all right. One more? Nah. Nah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yo, that was great. That was fun. Quick little episode of some Demolition Derby. If you guys enjoyed, I had a whole playlist full of Wreckfest Mobile. Come check me out. Hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe for more. See y'all in the next one. Peace.